Hatta Mountain is a tourist attraction. The infamous mountain is an iconic symbol sitting at the highest peak of the mountains. Hatta Mountain Conservation Reserve is found in the Hajar Mountains. Hatta Mountain Conservation Area is the home of the largest population of the endangered Arabian tahr in the UAE. The mountains provide refuge to many species of rare fauna and flora. Ayan. At habang kami ay papauwi na, ayan, si Haring Araw ay papalubog na rin ang laki ng kanyang mata na nakatingin sa amin. Ayan siya, ang ganda mong pagmasdan, Haring Araw. At habang kami ay papauwi na rin si